Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set width columns Excel Auto. Let's open the Excel file. You will see the data in cells with different sizes. Now, click on the top corner of the sheet to select all the cells. When they are selected, you will simply double-click on the cell when you see that the cursor takes the shape of a cross. As a result, the cells will have automatic adjustment. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.